we started the morning off about 10 k's out off the Gold Coast trying some skirted lures. It didn't take long and 2 rods went off with dolphin fish dancing all over the ocean. It was mayhem. There were twisted lines, plus the teaser was caught up in the action. It didn't take long to sort all that business out, and soon it was down to fighting the fish. It was John and Blake's first time out fishing for dolphin fish, so it was great to see them hooked up together.
Hello.
John's fish was a little bit smaller and he was able to get it boat side fairly quickly. Thanks to my expert gaffing skills, it was soon in the boat, donged on the head and destined for the esky. Now it was down to getting Blake's bigger fish in.
We have the dolly alright.
We got one in. Lit up. He's a bull dolphin. I reckon John's got the girl and you got the bull. Here's the leader. He's just there. He's just sitting just there, swimming in the current.
For a 10-year-old kid, Blake did a great job catching his dolphin fish. I've got to say, we're still working it out together on how to best target these big fish, but things are really starting to come together. There was a few dodgy gaff shots, but eventually the gaff was in and we managed to haul Blake's fish on board too. With some help from Uncle John, Blake jumped behind the fish for some photos, and then his fish too made it into the ice slurry. It was a top morning with family and best mates trolling off the Gold Coast. I can't wait to do it again.
Take your hat off, Blake. Yep, and one more.